Shinjuku Yuji jumping. So we're going to try full body. This one, he's got those arms, those cursed arms and stuff, and he's taken dismantle to the side ribs. So let's try and draw this one. Yeah, it's like the manga, so it's kind of a rough, the way JJK draws that style. So I'm on landscape page. This would work perfectly fine portrait, obviously, as well. Most of my drawings do, except for like the real wide ones. But yeah, let's try. His head is teeny weeny, so we're going to have to zoom for this one. So we'll go in up here. And we're kind of looking down on him. So I'm going to start with his nose, right? Let's see. So it's kind of like an upside down 7 or a capital letter L. So we'll just curve. Come on, pen. There we go. That way. Right. And then, so it seems to like join his face. So we'll go that way. And then like his nostril. Well, he kind of like joins his top lip first, and then the nostril is like there. Okay. So this starts to, so like up here, there's a bit of a gap, and then it starts to go that way for his eyebrow on the other side. So it's like his eyebrow goes up here. His other eyebrow is slightly lower down, so it's like in line with this gap. And he's frowning real heavy. It goes this way. Like a check mark there. And then we want to add a space that we can just add a bit of color to. And there's texture lines in there. And then he has the frown, sort of on his forehead. And he's looking up, right? So like his eye. So we'll go top eyelid here. It's real dark and heavy, and it comes across the top then. And then for the bottom eyelid, they just do that, and then we go in. So they don't draw it all. Okay. Right, and then he's looking up from underneath his eyelid. Just there, and then the pupil. Just there. So his other eye is kind of like in behind his nose and his eyebrow and stuff. So like you can see sort of the eyeball just in here. And then barely you can see his pupil just looking up maybe in there, but barely though. And then like a bottom eyelid, and then his cheek just going down beside his nose. So we got his scar on his forehead here. Right, so then like his chin, so like his mouth and his chin, they're all kind of on the one line. So we'll go down to his chin, right? And then it curves this way. And then a strong jaw just going that way. And then like from here we get like the top lip, and it's kind of like real serious, sort of downturned. And he's got that scar in the corner of his mouth as well. And there's like a bottom lip line. Just here. And another shadow line there that I'm not really sure what it is, but it is there. It's like some scratches and stuff on his face. Right, so just like we get his jaw sort of here, and just above this we get the V for his sideburn of his hair. And then his ear comes out from there, down and into the jaw. And then we get the inside ear lines. And then his hairline. Just like a zigzag, just coming across the top of the forehead. And then goes the other way. And then his forehead comes down here. Do. Right, so let's see, hair spikes. So it just seem to like come out from here. Lots of these small hair spikes go the whole way around. Of course, we get like the different color section about here. And then like all textures and stuff there. Okay, so his hoodie, so like that red hoodie that he has, just comes around, touches his ear, goes down to his jaw. There's like some lines in there. And the hoodie at the back, all the way around to his other eye. And there's a button down here. Right, that's his head. Tricky, just the way it's drawn. It's even. So we'll go down now. Now in Jujutsu Kaisen manga, he doesn't draw a lined body. It's like a black thing with gray. So, so I'll kind of have to make that up a bit, but we'll see how we go. So we get like his shoulder coming out here, right? we've drawn enough of anime Yuji to know how it looks anyway. So his shoulder line is like diagonal this way. And then there's like a rip or a tear here. Just on his clothing. And then this shoulder goes in. I guess this should be, so it's like, we'll go down anyway for his body. So it like bumps this way. And the other shoulder line comes down here and around. And then it comes back in. So it probably goes up his chest and around his shoulder. Somewhere there. So it's all loose, sort of baggy clothing anyway. So got that button there. And then like his back is here, and this is where he took cleave, or is it dismantle? Cleave or dismantle, one or the other. And it's cool because it's drawn in that pattern, so of the move, you know. So he's got like spikes on the edges of the clothing where he took Sukuna's attack. You know, so he's got these kind of star-like imprints. Just around. This. Boom, 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 boom. So it's all around here now. And then he doesn't draw in abs or anything. He just gives him sort of like a diaphragm maybe, but maybe I can do some of his hip muscles and ribs and stuff. Okay, so like his legs, very basic, just we go down this way. Very loose, baggy trousers. And then his knee bent over here. Like that, right? Then those cursed arms, so we get a bit more of his sleeve sort of rolled up here. And then we'll just go down. We'll just do it sort of down to the wristband at first. Kind of reminds me of Piccolo from Dragon Ball. Because I just drew him last week. Okay, like that's one. And now the fist, it's drawn very simply. So we'll go like down. Around like this. And he barely draws stuff in, like it's cool the way he's able to do that though. That's all you can see of the thumb and the fist. And then the other forearm just comes down here. And he does have that winged thing, it looks like, on his elbows. Some of the memes don't have that. They like take it out. Just all these lines then. Then this bony thing on his elbow. So it's different every time I see it, but This is what it looks like in this one. Boom, 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 boom. And then again, the fist barely. Just does these 4 lines. And then a bit of the thumb. Not even drawn in the thumb. What way would that even be? This is how he drew it in. So if I was the thumb looking at it from the side, that would be... Can't even make that out. Okay, but that's what it looks. So... He must draw with like a brush pen. That's what it looks like anyway. Next. Shoes. Yeah, basic shoes as well. So we'll go just round like that for the top of them, and then down here. It just bumps around for the sole of the shoe. And this is like a darker black area. And then this goes back up around to there. And he's got like laces. Four of these thick black lace sections. And then we got like laces kind of going that way. And then the other one just down behind. This is the, so he's like jumping, you know, so this is up in the air. Right, and if you want, you know, like just from jumping on the ground and stuff, you could just do some debris. And his face has some like scratches on it and stuff. All right, Yuji, jumping. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.